Let's take a moment to think about all the conversations we've had about YouTube so far, whether it's about building a lifestyle brand or creating content like Magnates Media. It's clear that YouTube is its own universe, constantly evolving, especially in the field of automation. But what exactly is YouTube doing in this space? Sure, it's tackling complex challenges, but here's the real question: what are the simple tasks you can start doing today, right from your home, with no team, and still make money on YouTube? We've divided this discussion into some episodes, and today you're tuning into the first one. In this episode, we've focused on two essential things that you need to be absolutely clear on if you're serious about making it big on YouTube. These are the foundational elements, and once you grasp them, your path to success becomes much smoother. First, I'm going to talk about 5 key things you need to know and how you can master each one. Once we've covered that, I'll walk you through 10 real-life examples that are truly eye-opening. Trust me, these case studies will be game changers. Now, maybe before today, you hadn't thought about things from this angle, but by the time you finish watching, your mindset will be totally different. You'll start seeing new opportunities and thinking in ways you never did before. Here's the best part: by now, you probably have a lot of questions popping into your head. Questions like, how long will it take to succeed in this business? How much will it cost? What tools will you need to get started? Don't worry, because I'll be answering all of that in the third part of this video, and I promise it's going to be super informative and exciting. So make sure you stick around for all 3 parts because you won't want to miss a thing. As you can see in my video, I don't show my face, but my voice is clear, and the content is enjoyable. If you're someone who doesn't want to appear on camera, maybe you're shy, worried about criticism, or just don't have the right equipment, that's completely fine. You can still be successful on YouTube without ever showing your face. Let's say you're an investor and you're wondering, why should I become a content creator when I can be a producer instead? Well, for that, you just need 4 key things: a script, voiceover, visuals, and thumbnails. With these elements, you can easily upload 10 videos a day. There's really no limit. Here's how it works: a scriptwriter can provide you with well-written content. Voiceovers can be done by AI or a professional voiceover artist. A video editor can pull together the visuals, and a thumbnail designer will craft eye-catching thumbnails. The best part, you never have to appear on camera. You could choose to manage just one channel or even hundreds, like Think Media does. The possibilities are endless. Some people might worry that they need to hire 4 different people to handle script writing, voiceovers, video editing, and thumbnails, but that's not necessarily the case. When I walk you through 10 case studies or different types of channels, you'll see that there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Each channel has its own unique method of getting things done, and some strategies are much simpler than you might think. We'll go over each case study one by one, and you'll get a clear idea of which approach best fits your situation. Some channels are run by one person doing everything, while others use AI or freelancers for certain tasks. By understanding these different methods, you'll see that it's possible to succeed without a large team. So don't worry about having to manage too many people or processes. Instead, we'll look at how each channel works and draw useful conclusions that will help you create a solid plan that fits your style. Whether you're running just one channel or planning to scale up, this step-by-step breakdown will give you the tools you need to build something great. Let me showing you a channel that shares amazing business stories, all without showing anyone's face. It's a perfect example for anyone looking to do the same. This channel creates documentaries about businesses, and the stories are told through visuals and voiceovers, not people on camera. One of their popular titles is The Craziest Story You Have Ever Heard: The Evil Crimes of Volkswagen.com. This shows how a powerful story, along with a good title, can grab people's attention, even without anyone appearing on screen. The key is how they hook viewers with fascinating stories that you can't help but click on. In fact, with the right storytelling, you don't need to be in front of the camera to succeed. Next, let me show you another example, this time from a channel called Gadget Zone. This channel focuses on showcasing cool and unique products, with titles like 1000 Cool Keychain Gadgets on Amazon. The format is visually appealing, filled with eye-catching gadgets, and they managed to do all of this without anyone appearing on camera. What's even more interesting is that Gadget Zone might be based in India, proving that you can reach a global audience no matter where you're located. If we want to reach even more people, we could create channels in different languages. While English tends to be the best option for attracting a larger international audience, this flexibility allows us to cater to specific regions as well. By exploring different markets and speaking directly to audiences in their native language, we can expand the reach of our content even further. This opens up new opportunities for growth and success. The third case study is about channels that focus on storytelling, whether it's crime, horror, business, or even children's stories. These channels are great examples of how storytelling can be a powerful way to engage viewers without needing to show anyone on camera. There are hundreds of stories available to use, and you don't have to create them from scratch. You can find great material from blogs, articles, or even use AI tools like GPT to generate fresh and exciting stories. The key is to deliver the story in a way that keeps people hooked, whether through suspenseful narration, thrilling visuals, or captivating sound effects. With storytelling, you can tap into a wide range of genres and easily adapt content based on what people love to watch. It's a simple yet effective way to build a successful channel without having to show your face. Next, let's talk about a channel centered around Elon Musk, who is always making headlines. With Musk constantly in the spotlight, it's easy to create content based on his latest tweets, interviews, or projects. His ventures like Tesla, SpaceX, and even his quirky tweets are all rich sources for interesting content. What's great about this kind of channel is that you don't need to show your face at all. You can simply focus on discussing his latest news, updates, or analyzing his business moves, all while using clips, visuals, and voiceovers. Musk's fan base is huge, and there's always something new happening with him, so there's a never-ending stream of content you can produce. This type of channel taps into a high-demand niche, as people are always curious about what Elon Musk is up to. By staying on top of current events and trends surrounding him, you can consistently create engaging videos that attract viewers. Another case study focuses on the travel niche, with topics like Top 10 Reasons Not to Move to This City or 100 Best Rural Towns in the US. Travel channels like this are great, because there are endless cities and destinations around the world that people are curious about. This type of content can easily attract viewers who are interested in learning more about places to live, visit, or avoid, making it a fantastic niche to tap into. Then, there's a channel concept focused on drawing or art. This is a unique idea because it doesn't even require a script or voiceover. All you need is simple drawing skills, and you can create engaging videos just by showing the creative process. If you don't have these skills, maybe a younger sibling, cousin, or friend does, and you could partner with them or even hire someone to help. The beauty of this channel is that it's visual, relaxing, and appeals to viewers who enjoy watching art come to life without any need for words. One interesting case study highlights a channel with only 389 subscribers, yet it consistently generates passive income. This shows that you don't always need a huge following to make money on YouTube. If your content is targeted and valuable, it can still bring in steady earnings. Another example is a channel dedicated solely to pronouncing famous names. With videos like how to pronounce Mike Tyson. Despite the simplicity of the content, it has gained an impressive 16,000 views with just 494 short videos. Even more astonishing, the channel has grown to over 500,000 subscribers. These examples prove that sometimes the simplest ideas can attract massive audiences. By focusing on a specific, niche need like helping people pronounce difficult or famous names, you can create content that's not only easy to produce, but also surprisingly popular. These case studies are great reminders that success on YouTube isn't always about flashy production. Sometimes, all it takes is a clever idea and consistency. Thanks for sticking around until the end of this episode. You've just seen how building a successful YouTube channel is possible for anyone, whether you're the face of your content or staying behind the scenes. And to be honest, this very video is a living example of the success you can achieve. Let me explain how this video didn't require a big production team, expensive equipment, or even me being in front of the camera constantly. Instead, I've applied the exact strategies we've been discussing throughout automation, smart content creation, and staying focused on delivering value. From writing the script, using voiceovers, editing, to creating thumbnails, everything was done with streamlined processes that anyone can replicate. The fact that you're still here proves that this method works. It's about connecting with your audience, offering valuable insights, and being consistent. Whether you're showcasing business stories, cool gadgets, or anything else, you can create content that resonates, just like this video. So when you think about your own YouTube journey, remember, this video is not just about teaching you the steps, it's an example of how to succeed using the very techniques I'm sharing. If I can do it, so can you. In our upcoming episodes, we'll dive deeper into case studies, practical tips, and tools that will help you make your mark on YouTube. And don't forget, if you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next episode. You're already on your way.